Residents of Newlands Road in Yala St. Thomas are urgently appealing for the authorities to repair the main road. Residents told TVJ News that recent heavy rains made the poor road conditions worse and motorists and pedestrians are suffering.
Right now, me can't even walk on the road, sir. I can't even walk. Everybody I talk about Newland Road. Where we councillor there, where we MP there. Right? Then can't come fix the road. The rain fall where there, and now you can see pothole on the road. The rain wash down everything come on Mr. Blackway. Right on Mr. Blackway, the rain wash down everything come down.
Along the road, see some water commission come dig up the road and have it so then fix it back. And no. And a new year, this same way, so it's here and in front of my business place. But I like it to fix.
When TVJ News contacted the National Works Agency NWA about recently about the poor road conditions in St. Thomas, we were told that the agency has not yet ramped up road patching activities in some communities due to widespread devastation from Hurricane Melissa. Communications Manager Stephen Shaw explained a lot of roads island-wide need attention, and the government will be working to repair more roads starting from March 2026.